How to get Grubhub promo code. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Grubhub promo code. Different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me head over to CNN coupons. It will land you on this interface. You can see different coupons are visible to you. You can click on any one of it. Let me tap on this one. And there you go, the promo code will be available to you. All you want to do is tap on copy code. Once you have copied the promo code, what you want to do is go back and head over to your application Grubhub. And then apply this promo code and get certain amount of discount. And you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get Grubhub promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.